Hello watcher and subscribers. In this tutorial we will see form concept, and as a Excel user it would be better if you are having some basic knowledge about the form. So first we see what is the use of form. So there are two main use. First use is that it provide you the interface, programming interface you can say, so that you can easily enter the values in a table. Just like if you are using any software and doing a data entry or putting any data in the software, then it provide you the form option like your name, address, and then you can store the information in the software. So same interface you are getting here. By using the form you can easily add the information. And the second use is that suppose you have already created table and many rows, many columns are there, then it is difficult to track the information or difficult to edit the table. So in such a case you can use the form option. So now we will see it practically, and this form option is not directly available in the ribbon. So you have to just go the upside title bar. Beside there is a quick access toolbar. So there is a arrow option. So you just click there, and then you have to select downside more command option. Then here you have to select command not in the ribbon, and then you have to select here form option. So here this is the form option, then select add, and then after clicking on add button you just click OK, and now you upside in the quick access toolbar there is a form option. Okay, so whenever you are using in the form, so actually you will come in the two cases. Suppose you don't have the table right now, you assume you don't have the table, so what you do, you just add the column name. Okay, and after adding the column name you can just select that and click on the form, so it will be appear to you. And then by using this new option you can add the record. And suppose you have already table, then what happen, you just click inside the table and just select the form option. And here in this table, here I have done with formula, and here the user will enter the value. So what happen, if I click on this form, only two text box are there. Third one is non-editable value because we have the formula there. So now here we see how that new option work out. So when you click on this new button, you can add the new record there. So here I am adding the marks, and then I just select the close, so that record is added at the end. This is your record. So in this way you can easily add the record by using form option. Then you can also delete the record, whichever the record you want. And before this we will see the important option criteria. So by using this criteria you can search any record. Suppose by name I am searching any record. Suppose if I type the B, then find next, so that record is available to you. And it means that whatever the record that you want you can search it there. Suppose if I again click on the criteria, then in that criteria I just remove this value. I want to search the record which is having 33 marks. So you see that record D is available to you. And now I just want to delete this, so it will be deleted permanently. So now you see that D record is deleted. So in this way you can use new option, delete, this criteria option, find next and previous, it will just move on next and previous record. So in this way you can easily add the values by using form. So it's very easy to operate. Once you add this in a quick access toolbar, you can easily use the form option, and then you will come in conclusion if in your table there are more row and column, more informations are there, then by using form you can easily do the changes in your table. So it provide the good interface for data entry, or it provide a good interest for doing changes in your database. So I hope, dear student, you understood the importance of form and you understood how to operate that. So in the next tutorial again we will come with the new concept. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.